The day begins with soft sunlight coming into our home. First, my father wakes up at 6 o'clock. He brushes his teeth and gets ready for the day. Then he reads the newspaper while drinking a cup of tea. After that, he gets dressed for work and leaves the house with a smile. Now, let's talk about my mother. My mother wakes up a little earlier than everyone. She starts her day in the kitchen. She prepares breakfast for the whole family. The kitchen smells warm and fresh in the morning. After cooking, she wakes us up gently and asks us to get ready. Now it's my turn. I wake up and stretch a little. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I sit at the table and have breakfast with my family. We talk and laugh while eating together. After breakfast, I get ready for my work or study. I check my bag, wear my shoes, and leave the house. Now, let me tell you about my brother. My brother wakes up slowly. He feels sleepy and lazy in the morning. He brushes his teeth, gets ready, and eats breakfast quickly. Then he goes to school with his bag on his back. Now, let's move to the afternoon. In the afternoon, my mother finishes her housework. She cleans the house and takes some rest. Sometimes she watches TV or listens to music. My father is busy at his office. He works on his computer and attends meetings. In the evening, everyone comes back home. My father returns from work. He looks tired but happy. My brother comes back from school and throws his bag on the sofa. I also return home and relax for some time. In the evening, we all sit together. We drink tea and talk about our day. My brother tells funny stories from school. Everyone laughs. Now, let's talk about the night routine. At night, my mother prepares dinner. The whole house feels calm and peaceful. We eat dinner together at the table. After dinner, we talk for a few minutes. Then everyone goes to their rooms. We brush our teeth and get ready for bed. My mother checks if everyone is comfortable. Finally, the lights turn off. The house becomes quiet.
If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel.